In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Coinbase to your bank account. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Now, for us to be able to transfer money from Coinbase to bank account, make sure that if you're using your mobile device, you have the most recent Coinbase mobile app. It is up to date. Make sure selling is available on that app. You have linked a payment method, and you need to understand your available balance and review pricing and fees, because there may be a short holding period on your cash that will prevent you from immediately cashing out. And of course, you need to have a verified account, right? But first, the first steps is going to be you need to sell cryptocurrency for cash. For you to be able to do that is between these two methods. Now, for using your web browser right now, if you're using your computer, go to your Coinbase account, log in using your credentials, and click buy and sell. And then click sell. After that, click the asset you want to sell and enter the amount. Now, after doing so, you click sell, which is the asset, and confirm your selections. Of course, you have to click sell now to complete the sale. And that's it, using your web browser. Now, since you're using your mobile device, tap the menu in the upper left corner and then tap the icon sell. Tap the asset you want to sell and enter the amount. And tap review order and confirm your selections. Of course, finally, tap place order to complete the sale. And once the action is complete, the funds will be available in your cash balance, which is your selected currency. For example, USD balance, for example, right? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have problems navigating the transferring of your funds, your money from your bank account, I suggest you go here at help.coinbase.com or simply go to support and tell them your situation, that you have problems transferring money from your Coinbase to your bank account.